James back with 360 and back, and in this short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over how to edit or remove image galleries. So if you are familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, all you have to do is type in how to edit or remove image galleries. However, if you're not familiar with the iGuide knowledge base, I made a video on this previously, which I would highly recommend to go back and watch first. Images that need to be edited or removed after the original images were uploaded. This may be images that need to be removed at the seller or the agent's request. Whatever the reason, images can be easily removed from the iGuide. So a quick tip is, in my previous video, I showed you how to upload the image galleries. When you upload those image galleries, it's really important, and I believe I stressed that in the beginning, that you try to upload everything in the order that you want it to be seen on the iGuide. If not, then this is what you're going to use to reorganize everything. So go ahead and log into your iGuide editor's account, and then once you've done that and you've uploaded your images, there is a few different ways that you can accomplish this. I'm going to show you the long way first, and this is just because, things change or whatever else, and you want to know the correct way of getting there. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and go to iGuide details right here at the bottom. I'm just going to select that. And then you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where you see iGuide user reviews. Once you see that, go ahead and click on the blue edit button. And then once you've done that, right here in gallery, all the way over here on the right-hand side, it says edit in the blue. Go ahead and select that. And now we're here where we need to be at. Now, for the quick way, all you have to do is just go back to your iGuide gallery. Go ahead and click on the actual image itself. And then once you do that, here in this blue bar right here, it says Edit User View Gallery. And you can just select that. And it's going to take you to the same spot. I don't know how long this little blue information, this bar banner is going to be here. That's why I wanted to show you the other way first, just in case they decide to change it or remove it or anything else like that. So anyway, so once you're here, this is the area that you can go ahead and reorder all your images. So there are a few buttons that you need to be aware of. There's 4 of them actually. So you have this one right here with the 2 arrows and 1 line. This is going to push the image, no matter where it's at, to the very beginning. So it's going to push it all the way to the left. So if I clicked just right here, you see it moved it all the way over to the left. Now, the next one is just going to move it 1 space over. Okay, so if we go ahead and select that, you can see that it swapped these images and put that second image first. The next one is going to be pushing the image 1 space forward, just like that. And then the last one is going to take this image and put it all the way at the very end. So push it at the very bottom, and if we go look, and there's our image right there at the very bottom. Okay. If your images are kind of, everywhere and it's not really in order, this is going to take you a few minutes to get everything situated, right? Now, as far as deleting images, all you have to do is just hit the little red X here, and it will add it to the excluded image section. So you see that I took a couple of these images out. So once you excluded them, they're still there because they've already been uploaded. However, the viewers aren't going to be able to see that. So say that you actually hit X and you want to add this image back, just go ahead and hit this little plus button. And then it's just going to bring it right back in there. So once you went ahead and reorganized the photos that how you want it, just make sure you hit the save button here at the bottom, because I didn't change anything. It's not going to allow me to save. So, but yeah, so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to send me an email. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. And yeah, thank you.